Hi everyone, it's me again, Mariel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alam nyo, it's been a while and sobrang na-miss ko na gumawa ng video talaga. Sobrang nagiging busy lang talaga ako the past few months and hindi na po ako masyado nakakapag-upload. Hindi na ako masyado nakakagawa ng mga math videos. Pero palagi ko pa rin nami-miss, palagi ko pa rin gustong balikan. Sana ko. Hindi, ito, totoo. Sobrang nami-miss ko talaga gumawa ng video. Kaya naman, ngayon, syempre, gagawa tayo ng video. At itong ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon is all about, or para sa mga grade 8 students ko dyan over the screen. So, sana ay hindi ko pa nakakalimutan. Sana ay nandyan pa rin kayo para supportaan ako. Anyway, sometimes nag-upload din naman ako sa TikTok. And eto nga, ito sa aking YouTube channel. So, pakiramdam ko talaga is napapabayaan ko na yung YouTube channel ko. But then again, babalik at babalik ako dito kasi ito yung nag-save sa akin from depression the past few years. Ayan. So, ito na nga, ngayon is meron tayong panibagong video and sana ay supportahan niyo pa din ako because dito sa ating YouTube channel, we made awesome things happen. Ayan, so welcome to my YouTube channel and syempre, huwag nyo pa rin ako kalimutang i-subscribe, i-like, nabubulol na, i-like tong video and of course, i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para syempre palagi kang updated whenever na magpo-post ako ng math tutorial videos. So, ang lesson nga natin ngayong araw is all about the parallelism and fit, parallel lines cut by a transversal line. This is fourth quarter ng mga grade 8 students. So, panoorin nyo to and I hope na may matutunan kayo sa video na to. Okay, so let's go and simulan na natin ang pag-aaral. So, as you can see here, meron tayo ditong figure. And if you are already a grade 8 students, I know, alam mo na to. This is what we call parallel lines cut by a transversal line. So, when we say parallel line, ito yung dalawang line na ito, ayan, na never mag-intersect or never magtatagpo at some point, okay? And kapag sinabi natin transversal line, ito naman yung line na nag-intersect sa kanilang dalawa. And through these parallel lines cut by a transversal line, we can actually prove the parallelism of these two segments, right? Dahil meron silang parallel transversal in here, therefore, this line is parallel to this line. Or let's say this is line L, this is line M. Then, line L is parallel to line M. Diba? As simple as that. Pero in here, what are we going to do is to apply all the properties, all the conditions that a parallel lines cut by a transversal has. Okay? So, di ba, meron tayong tinatawag na corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, same side interior angles, same side exterior angles. Okay? So, kung hindi pa natin, kung hindi nyo pa yun masyadong master, of course, I'm going to discuss that to you para syempre hindi naman sayang yung video natin, di ba? Okay. So, di ba when we say corresponding angles, ayan, corresponding angles. Okay. Ito siya. Ito yung mga angles in the same position. Okay. Same position na magkabilaang ng transversal line. Magkabilaang side ng transversal line. For example, dito, the corresponding angles in here is angle 1 and angle 5. Okay? That is angle 1 and angle 5. The next pair of corresponding angles are angle 3 and angle 7. And as you can see, they are in the same position, di ba? Nung itong dalawang itong parallel lines nitong transversal, yung 1 and 5, parang same position sila kasi this line is nandun siya. And then in this line, nandito naman yung 5, diba? Therefore, they are corresponding angles. And also, we have 2 and 6, angle 2 and angle 6. And of course, we have angle 4, yan, and angle 8 as corresponding angles. Okay, so these are the pairs or four pairs of corresponding angles in the parallel lines cut by a transversal line. And always remember, corresponding angles are congruent or they have the same measurement. Always remember that, okay? Now, let's have naman alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. So, when we say alternate interior angles for a while, ayan, alternate interior angles, ito naman yung mga angles na nasa loob or nasa loob ng parallel lines, ayan, and they are alternate to each other. Okay, so I know very self-explanatory naman na po ng alternate, pero let us have the pairs of alternate interior. From the word itself, interior, nandito lang siya sa loob, okay? Dito lang tayo pipili sa 3, 4, 5, and 6 kasi sila yung mga angles na nasa loob ng ating parallel lines, okay? When we say alternate, magkabilaan, side, ayan. Therefore, angle 3 and angle 6, ayan, they are alternate interior. And angle 4 and angle 5, they are the second pair of alternate interior angles. Okay, and always remember, alternate interior angles are congruent as well. Now, let's proceed to alternate exterior angles. So, from the word itself, exterior, meaning to say, nasa labas ng parallel lines. Okay, ibig sabihin, dito lang tayo pipili sa angle 1 and angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Kasi sila lang naman yung outside ng ating parallel lines. Dito sila nasa labas. Okay? And alternate. Meaning to say, the pair of alternate interior is angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 8. And the next pair is angle 2 and angle 7. Angle 2 and angle 7. Okay? And always remember, alternate exterior angles are also congruent, or meaning to say, they have the same measurement. For example, angle 1 is 100 degree. Therefore, angle 8 is also 100 degree. And if angle 2 is 80 degree, then angle 7 is 80 degree, okay? Basta ang magkakatulad lang po ng measurement is yung magkakapares. Okay? It doesn't mean na kapag congruent, lahat sila ay congruent. No. It is yung magkakapares lang. Okay? Kasi meron pa tayong tinatawag na same side interior angles. Ayan, and we're going to discuss that one. Okay, now, so let us discuss naman the same side interior angles and same side exterior angle. So, almost the same lang din naman to. Kasi interior, interior, nasa loob. Ayan. Exterior, mga angles na nasa labas. Ayan, ng ating parallel lines. And when we say same side, of course, ito naman yung mga angles na nasa parehas, nandito lang sa side ng transversal na to. And yung angles na nandun lang sa side, or sa other side ng ating transversal. So, yung same side interior angles natin is si angle 3, this angle, and this angle. Same side interior angles, okay? Angle 3 and angle 5. And the second pair is angle 4 and angle 6. So, meron lang tayong dalawang pair ng same side interior angles. Kasi dalawa lang naman yung angles, or apat lang naman yung angles na nasa loob ng ating parallel lines, and that is two pair, di ba? So, ayan yung same side interior angles, and always remember, same side interior angles are supplementary. So, when we say supplementary, therefore, or their measurement, or the pair, or yung measurement ng magkakapares is equal to 180 degree. Okay? So, for example, 3 is 80 degree. 80 degree. Then, 5 is 100 degree. Right? Because 180 minus 80 is 100. And 100 plus 80 is 180. And 3 and 5 are same side interior angles and they are supplementary. Okay, so ganun lang siya kasimple. Now, let's proceed to same side exterior angles. Siyempre, same side yung mga angles na nasa labas, tapos nandito lang siya sa side ng transversal, and yung nasa kabilang side. Okay? So, same side interior, exterior angles, angle 1 and angle 7. Okay? And as you can see, 100 plus 80 degree, that is equal to 180 degree because same side exterior is also supplementary. Okay? Supplementary or two angles that is equal to 180 degree. Okay? Next, angle 2 and angle 8. Ayan. So, they are also supplementary. And as you can see, 80 plus 100, that is 180. 100 plus 80, that is 180. And ganun lang kasimple yung mga conditions and theorems and postulates under the parallel lines cut by a transversal line. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. And, of course, meron din tayo dito tinatawag na vertical angles. Kapag sinabi natin vertical angles, ito naman yung angles na in an opposite direction. Ayan. Angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles. Then, angle 3 and angle 4 are vertical angles. And always remember, vertical angles are always congruent. So, for example, the vertical angles of angle 1 is angle 4. Then, angle 4 is 100 degree din. Kasi 1 is 100 degree. So, angle 4 is 100 degree. Ganun lang siya kasimple. As well as angle 5 and angle 8. Both is 100 degree. Angle 2 and angle 3. Both is 80 degree. So, vertical angles kasi is congruent. Ayan. So, always remember lang din na meron din tayo dito mabubuo na linear pair or two angles in the same line. Kagaya nitong angle 1 and angle 2. They are both in the same line. Therefore, they are linear pair. And linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. And as you can see, 100 plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. And ganun lang kasimple yung mga conditions under the parallel lines cut by a transversal line.